Hello and welcome back to the training. So in this video, we've already gone ahead and taken care of the name, the description. We've optimized the hours, the amenities, special hours. We've gone through and optimized each of the elements. So I just want to go back through that really quick, just double go over that. And then we're going to go ahead and optimize the product section, which is massively important if you have the ability to add this. Not every category will allow for products, but if you're allowed, this is a massive, massive section. So let's get into it. So I want to quickly go through this briefly here. We've done name, category, description, massive sections. We've done the opening date, contact information, the website, social profiles, you want to fill those out. The name, that's up to you. Your business location was updated. These things happen. All right. Service area, we've talked about this. We go for ultra broad. We go for the state, the city, and the county that we're in, right? On top of that, we do our hours and then our online hours. These match identically. Then the next step is from the business. Do you identify with this or that? Fill it out correctly. Accessibility, amenities. All right, let's take care of any amenities. Go ahead and list them. Service options. Can you use your phone, or if a customer comes to you, can you make sure that you can communicate with them in order to provide top-notch quality service? I'm sure you can. But that's up to you to decide. The next element of business here is going to be crowd. Make sure you fill out any information that's pertinent to you. So we've gone over all of that basic information. Now let's go ahead and do products. All right. Now before doing products, make sure that you get a logo. All right. Your logo. I like to keep everything uniform. You can change the information here, but personally, I like to keep everything uniform, but it's completely up to you. So what you'll want to do is get a 400 by 300 logo, all right, of your actual logo. Make sure it's clean, make sure it's 400 by 300 so it can be utilized for your product section, all right? So I'm just going to look for, all right, open. And there we go. So I have it. I just want to go ahead and put this right here so I can get to it. So this is my 400 by 300 JPEG file that will be utilized inside of the actual business. Now, the very next step here is we're going to go to edit products. And inside of products, I want to point out a few things. The very first thing that I want to point out is how to set the category. So categories, you're only allowed to pick 4. You get 4 main categories inside the product section. These 4 categories need to be high level, top level. Also, the most important keywords. So in this particular instance, the most important things that we do are towing and roadside assistance, right? Like towing actually encompasses everything that we do. Towing boats, cars, trucks, RVs, everything. Roadside assistance is another keyword, completely separate, but we also provide it. All right. So you set this as your category. You'll create a category with a primary key term. In each category, you're allowed to add products so they fit underneath the category. So oftentimes what we'll do is, let's say, for instance, using this example here, we have towing service. What would be a really good product? Well, a great product would be towing service plus city. That's a product. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we have done already, and then we'll go in here and make an example for you. All right, so we've done emergency, electric, heavy duty, motorcycle. All right, let's head on over to the website. Okay, and I'll show you how to go ahead and do this. So we will come inside of here. And we are looking for, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 different things that we do. So let's just see our locations. We know that Santa Ana is one of our main. Let's go to that page. And this is our towing Santa Ana page. So let's just double check and make sure that we don't have that. I don't believe that we do. Let's see if this is it. Yep. So they put emergency towing Santa Ana. Alrighty. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 different things in here. All right. But we're putting stop words. So let's just go ahead and add one more just so I can walk you through the process. All right. Do I see it in here? I don't see boat. So here we go. So we'll go to add product. We will do boat towing. Santa Ana. All right. Pick the category, which is towing service. You want to put the primary URL, which makes sense. Okay. Let me see if we have I think we should. Boat towing. All right. Let's go back up here and see what we do have. We'll select our photo, desktop, Spark towing. Then we'll put Control C, boat towing. So we filled out our product, put it in the rightful category, repeated the primary term right here. Okay. And then down here, we've pushed it to the relevant page. We also want to add the logo. Photo must be 250 by 250. Interesting. That must have been a smaller save than I thought it was. But that's going to walk us through this particular process of adding products and services based upon the locations and the services we provide on our website. All right. I must have saved this at a smaller junction, but that's going to wrap it up for this particular video. This is a brief overview plus the product section. We're going to go through product by product, location by location, and add it in here. All right, so let's just go ahead and get rid of this because this is looking good. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.